I'm out.
Mr. Acevedo.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Acevedo, what's happening with your case?
It's going to be a JSAT plea, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I just finished the paperwork as well.
Let me check my screen. Giovanni German is your client, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Why don't we take that plea? Can we do that? Switch out the other lady while Miss Beal is talking to the DA? Is that possible, Terry?
Oh, that's fine, Judge, whatever. Yes, Judge. Sorry, Judge, still trying to find paperwork. Yes, Judge, you do what you, whatever you need. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there we
So
go.
then,
There we go.
is that Mr. German? Is it German?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Judge, it's okay even though the state's not here?
Oh, that would have been bad. I would have taken this plea without the prosecutor being here. Hold on, Mr. German. We got to wait for the prosecutor. Terry, can you stick your head in there and tell the prosecutor that we have a plea waiting? And she can wrap it up quickly. Terry? Okay, she's doing that.
All right, Judge. She knows to come out.
Okay. Let me know when she comes out. I can't tell right now.
Okay. She assured Miss Beal came back, so Miss Urso should be coming back now. Okay.
Ms. Beal, I'm about ready to take a plea. Do I need to know anything about your case before I make this plea?
The only thing, she just may need to be given a little extra attention to explain to her about pleading true or that sort of thing. But we have an agreement for judgment satisfied.
Okay. Then you probably need to go back in the room and do your paperwork on that with your
Oh, I
client?
think we've already done it. She's already signed
Okay.
it.
Well, let me take this plea, and if you have that paperwork ready to go, we'll do your plea afterwards, okay?
Sounds perfect.
Okay, so do I have Ms. Urso in the meeting?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. So then, Mr. German, I've already sworn you in. Do you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Giovanni German?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Giovanni German who in this cause number 2024 CC 741624, who is charged with the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was, in effect, you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of evading arrest, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. Hold on. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, this court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain, that's your lawyer got for you. Besides that, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this plea of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please decide it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Acevedo?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. German?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. German, the court having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 4 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Acevedo?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Acevedo, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Morning, Terry.
Good morning. Oh, yes, Mr. Vale, did you need an offer or something?
Yeah, I need to be put with a prosecutor because I haven't gotten any offers on my cases.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's see, Judge, you want to take a plea?
Is it okay if we take a plea ahead of here, Mr. Vale? We got Ms. Beals. She's been waiting here for a little bit of time. Can I take her plea? That'd be all right. I only got
Oh,
one
of course,
prosecutor.
Judge. No,
Okay.
no, that's
All right.
okay, Judge. Whenever the court has time to have me visit.
Okay, then
that's
we'll do
fine.
it tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Joking. Okay, let's see. Miss Beal, let me see if I can find your client's paperwork on my paper docket. That's going to be Escalante.
Right.
Okay. And I got it on my paper docket. Now let's see if I can find you on my screen. I don't see paperwork for Escalante on my screen. Are you sure that your client signed it?
Yes, we just signed it a couple of, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago, however long it's been.
To refresh
That
my
was-
screen and see if it shows up, but it hasn't.
You know what? Maybe the bailiffs did not.
Wait a minute, I found it. I just found it.
Oh,
Escalante.
very good. Okay.
And this is an MTR?
It is.
Is it a regular probation or deferred?
I'm not entirely sure.
Ms. Urso, do you know, or Ms. Valverde, do you know?
Yes, Judge, one moment. It's Escalante, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's deferred, Your Honor.
Deferred, okay. All right, I got his paperwork up on my screen, so let me go back to Zoom here. Now, can we get Mr. Escalante in front of the camera? Miss Escalante, excuse me.
Hello.
Okay, Mrs. Escalante, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. Is your name Aurelia Escalante?
Yes.
Are you the same Aurelia Escalante who in this cause number 2024 CC 741369, who is currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of terroristic threats? Is that you?
Yes.
On this case, you have filed a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, that you have signed and your attorney signed. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me that you understand that
Yes.
if I adjudicate you guilty of this deferred adjudication, that you understand you have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. The reason we are here, let me go back a little bit here. Hold on. This is a little weird. Hold on. The paperwork is not giving me an area in which to take a plea. Am I misreading this, or let me?
Yeah, it looks like it's
Okay, I got this.
right.
Then normally we go to the plea here, but right now
This is an MTR, Judge. It's probably wrong paperwork, Judge. I'm not sure.
it's not
It's
not giving me a space on the paperwork to take her plea on this case. Terry, what do you
yeah,
want
I see
here?
that, Judge. It's not right paperwork, Judge. It's gonna have to be redone, Judge.
Okay. Excuse me, Miss Escalante. We have to like put you off to the side till we get the right paperwork on your case. All right.
And hers is an
I'm
MTR.
sorry.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
It's Bill, I'm sorry, but
That's all right, Judge. It's fine.
It's the wrong paperwork.
okay. So in the meantime, can we have the attorneys confer with Ms. Urso, I guess?
Yeah.
So we get the right paperwork on this Bill's case.
Mr. Vale, let me move you to room 6. There you go. Well, I sent a
Okay.
correct paperwork. Hold
Okay,
on.
very good.
Okay, the paperwork was fine all the way till we got to the point where you take the plea
Right.
and there's nothing there.
Yeah. It's they changed all of this, Judge, and it's just a nightmare.
It is a nightmare.
Yeah, it's
From start to
terrible.
finish.
Yeah.
Okay. So Phyllis, have you been scuba diving lately? What do you do?
I have not been scuba diving. I have, but I have been having kids, grandkids, and great grandkids at my house a lot.
Well, good for you. Good for you. Keeps you young.
My granddaughter and her husband and their daughter left yesterday.
So you get to get some rest now, right?
Well, I have to get to take care of all the back work that I've let slide.
Okay, I see Mr. Reitmeyer on the screen. Did he ever get his correct paperwork? I'm wondering.
Yes, sir, I did. I guess just need the interpreter so I can go over it so the client knows what to sign.
Okay, so we need to find an interpreter.
And Judge, there was I guess a part of the paperwork that requested a voucher and it made me sign it, but I'm retained on this.
Yes,
so
this
I
is
just
Terry
put-
Jail Court.
Okay.
Someone
But if it does make you sign it, just put in $0 for the amount paid if you are retained. That otherwise it won't accept the paperwork. It's a real
Right. That's what I did, Judge. I just want to let you know.
And I didn't wind up in room 6 for some reason. If that's where I was supposed to go.
No. Room 6 is the room we exile lawyers to confer with the prosecutor.
Okay.
So you've already done that, I think. So
I have conferred, and if she doesn't, does she have to sign anything or?
no.
Okay.
No. It's you're the only person that has to sign it, but we have to get the right paperwork.
Okay.
Let's see. Interpreter Jorge Valle is here. So I had my left knee replaced
Oh, no.
April the 2nd.
Did it stop hurting?
Huh?
Did it help? Did it help? Did it stop hurting?
No, it only hurts more.
Oh, no.
I'm sitting here with an ice pack on my knee underneath my robe right now.
Oh, no. That's, you know, John Lay is my workout partner.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, we've been working out together for 16 years.
Wow. Wow.
I know it's lasted longer
So
than some of my marriage.
how come he doesn't look any better and you do? What's the deal?
I was going to say, our relationship
Actually,
has
I haven't
lasted
seen
longer than
Johnny in
some
like
marriages.
I haven't seen him in a long, long time, so I have no idea what he looks like these days. But
Oh,
well,
he's slowing down a little. He is slowing down a little bit, and he's having problems with his knees. But uh, I don't know. I mean, we
hey, we're
work
all
out with.
fighting old age and all the vicissitudes of old age. That's all we're all doing.
I know it's just annoying as it can be.
Yes, we have an interpreter here. Do you need to go in the breakout room with your client in the interpreter, Mr. Reitmeyer?
Yes, Your Honor, that'd be great.
Can we do that, Terry? You're muted.
I don't think there's any breakout rooms available for Mr. Reitmeyer. I gotta ask Ramirez Judge. He's working on that.
Okay.
Miss Beal,
Yes.
I sent you new paperwork. Should be at the top of your.
Okay. Let me see if I can find it.
Yeah, and I have to go and cancel the other paperwork because I don't want to get it confused. Well, the judge can
You want me to go ahead and delete that old paperwork?
yeah, but please delete all that, Judge. Yeah.
Okay, I will do that.
Delete that and then 1324
I'm typing it right now. Okay.
and then Miss Beal should have I have the
I'm over here doing it.
okay, got it. Perfect. Good. Yeah, Mr. Reitmeyer, we're just waiting for and I think the interpreter is here as well somewhere.
I'm
Here you are. There's the interpreter. Okay.
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 Should be. I have on my screen that breakout room 2 is open. Am I?
Yeah. I'll wait for Ramirez, Judge.
Okay.
I don't know if someone is sitting there or not. I know the attorney. Maybe that was Beal. Maybe Beal has to go back in that one. Oh, that's
Yeah, I'll
Mrs.
have
Beal.
to probably go back because
Yeah. Miss Beal, would you want me to move you to room 2 now or no, or you want to wait? Give you a few minutes.
yeah, let me do this and then I'll go back into that room.
Okay, got it.
Hey, Terry, I'll do Escalante over here at the bench.
Okay.
Do you know I'm having trouble with some of the paperwork?
Miss Beal, were you talking to Teresa?
Well,
Yes.
I think it's going to be all right. There's a part of this that I can't sign, the part of the video conference. It lets me put the numbers in and the court number and her name. And then when we get down to the video conference part, I can't write her name in.
Oh, that's okay. If you can't, I've had that happen before in these MTR things where the lawyer
okay.
can't sign on that. I don't know why, but yeah, that's okay. Go.
Okay, I'll just keep going on down.
I'll just ask you verbally if you understand that.
Okay, sounds good.
And Angela Blake, make sure she's got an offer. Judge Miss Ursula. Miss. Okay, Miss Ursul's back, but Mr. Vale stayed in 6. Okay. I don't know. Mr. Vale's supposed to be. Good morning, Angela. I just texted you. Okay, got it. So you got that information. Yeah, they did it at the office to figure out how to do that voucher. It was, anyway, they changed Adobe documents on us and it's a mess. Anyway, so I'm sorry. So, Angela, you ready on your case? You got your offer?
I have an offer, yes, and I need to go over with my client.
Okay, because he's got 4 cases. Are we
Correct.
going on all 4?
The offer is for 2 and 2. I asked for for probation, and I asked for a time offer, but I didn't get a response back from the prosecutor.
Okay.
Oh, so you need to talk to the prosecutor.
You want to talk to her?
Yeah, if you don't mind, it won't take me long.
Okay,
Okay.
very good. Very good. I'm moving you to room 6. Let me let in Miss Vasquez. What is it going? Let's see.
Yeah, Terry, I'm gonna put Mr. Rittmeyer in 1.
1, got it. And then I'll move the interpreter also to room 1. There you go, Miss Interpreter. Miss Delgado, thank you.
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Reitmeyer, there you go, Mr. Reitmeyer. You can move to 1. All righty. And state is conferring. Let's see, Miss Beal is doing paperwork. Frankie, are you done? You're ready for a plea, correct, Frankie, on both cases?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Frankie. Miss Vasquez, good morning. You got Hamrick this morning, Charles Hamrick with 2 cases. What's going on with that case?
Good morning, Terry. I need to speak with the state. I don't see an offer on my side over here.
Okay, got it.
I can
Miss
email
Vasquez,
her. I know she's conferring if she wants to just send me something.
let me see. Miss Urso, will you chat Mrs. Teresa Max Vasquez on Charles Hamrick? He's got 2 cases this morning. She don't have an offer. And then
Can I get a room with him?
Okay, sure. Yeah, just all the rooms are full right now, Miss Vasquez.
Oh,
Just
okay.
a moment.
Okay.
Angela, you got your offer? So
I
what's
did.
happening?
So I need to talk to my guy to see if he wants to do it. But I have the paperwork in my inbox,
Okay.
and once
Can
he
you tell me-
confirms, I can do it all together.
Okay. But we don't know exactly which 2 we're going on yet. Is that what you're saying? Or we do know?
It's 004 and 205, the ones that end in those numbers.
Okay. 204. Okay, the 204.
204 and the 004, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I got the 004. What's the other last 2 numbers?
I think I have
204.
CC 720552. Is that correct?
Let me look at my email.
That's the type of property on the 52.
It was the 205 and the 004.
Those would be in TIC? Or
Those are the ones that he would plea on.
Those are the ones that he's pleading on. So then the other ones are the one that
Correct.
204 is a
TIC.
plea, and then 205 is a plea.
Yeah, 05 and 04. Okay, 05 and 04. Is that right, sir? So okay. Thank you.
Okay. And then the other ones are being TIC, right?
Right.
Okay. Angela, as soon as I have a room, I'll put you in. Ms. Vasquez, you'll wait for your I'm sure Ms. Urso will chat you an offer and we'll get that done. All right.
Okay.
And what's going on with you and your paperwork on your guy? Do you need to go back into a room and
Teresa, who did you want me to chat and offer to?
Ms. Hamrick, Charles Hamrick. First page, bottom of the page. He's got 2 cases.
Judge, were you talking to me?
No.
Oh, sorry.
And Phyllis, on your case, do you need to go back and have you guys resign again, or are you okay with?
I don't think we have to go. Let me just check. But you know what? There's nothing about the plea that's attached. It's still not attached. The thing for you to write on.
Let me see.
So what I have is the video conference. I have the
trial
certificate
court's
of the right
right
to
of appeal.
appeal, and then I have county court judge notes.
Correct.
There should be an area there where he pleads true or
Okay,
not
maybe
true.
it is. Okay,
It's MTR paperwork. It's not. I'm not sending you plea paperwork. This is different paperwork, Phyllis. This is MTR paperwork.
okay.
It's the correct. I'm looking at it. It's the correct one.
It's the correct one. Okay, very
Yes.
good. And so I think I'm done, and I'm going to click the sign and
We can complete that. You think? Maybe.
Well, maybe her client needs to sign still.
I think her sign. My client. I think she may need to sign permission
Correct.
for the video and
Right. In the meantime, our breakout rooms have been filled. I don't know if we have one to put you in with your client. Do we, Terry?
Judge, I'll take care of it at the bench. I got it.
Okay. So where do we send Miss Beal?
Right now, let me give me just a minute.
Okay.
I'm waiting to see if I get the paperwork for one. It's not even here yet.
Oh, she hasn't signed. Okay. Yeah, Ms. Beal, your client needs to sign. And Angela, I think you can go to room 3, Angela.
Thank you. Did the paperwork make it over there to her?
I don't know. I'm answering right now.
Because she might be able to sign it since she's already signed it once.
Oh, it's not made it to her yet. Modern science, it's wonderful.
So for Hamrick, if y'all are ready.
Yeah.
So that one we do not have CW contact at this time, so we're gonna need to get that reset.
Which case is that again? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying
Hold
attention.
on. Sorry, Judge.
Hamrick.
So that's going to be reset.
Can we motion to dismiss that one then? He's been waiting for a while, and Terry, I don't know if that's come across your desk that they were trying to see if we could get into the Veterans Court. Because he had a pending felony also, which was dismissed.
I'll have to send it back to the original court if you want to do anything really special on it. Right now, this court's just set up to do the pleas. If anything else needs to be done, it's going to go back to the original court. Ms. Buskin. So,
Okay.
Hamrick, no agreement sent back.
What about a bond, Judge? Can we get a bond on him?
I'm sorry, can't do it. You'll have to go back to the original court.
Hold on now. Yeah. Okay. So, Ms. Vasquez, you want to apply for Veterans Court? Is that what you want?
I believe that they were asking to see if he qualified, but that was if we were going to keep the felony. They dismissed it. So we just have these two pending misdemeanors, and he's been, how long has he been detained?
55 days.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it is a long
Can
time.
I speak with him really quick? Do you have a room for him?
Unfortunately, the rooms are all being taken up right now. We only have 3 rooms. All taken
I'll
up.
hold. And so we're moving that back over to 15, Judge. Is that what you're saying?
Well, unless you talk to him and you decide you want to take a plea today. I mean,
okay, let me talk to him. I'll talk to him.
What we were telling me that the state wasn't ready on it, Ms. Oso, is that right?
I mean, I can give him a straight probation offer, but that's all I'm gonna give at this time.
Oh, well, that's not gonna.
That's not gonna work. He's been detained for 55 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at the facts of the case, you'd understand why.
Okay. But you're not in touch with the complaining party, is what you said.
Yeah, so they left a voicemail yesterday, but
okay.
That's all.
Yeah, I'll wait, Judge. It's okay. I'll hold to speak
I'll let
with
you
him.
talk to your client, but it looks like it's going to be sent back to the court with no agreement. Okay.
I think so. Okay.
Miss Beal. Did
Yes.
you get back to talk to your client?
I haven't been sent back to talk to her yet. Again.
Okay. Ramita just told me he was going to take care of that at the bench, but I'm not sure what's going on.
Miss Beal.
Probably can't. Yes.
What do you so I got the paperwork. What are you missing on there?
There's just two. She had signed everything before. There's 2 places. There's one for permission to do it by video, and the other one is how much, whether she can appeal or not.
Right.
And if she'll sign those 2 places, then you can send it back and we'll be ready.
Okay. All right.
Okay, Pat, I heard that there was a Star Trek convention in Japan. Did you know about that?
I did not know about that,
I
but I
missed
know
out,
that
man. I missed out. Someone called me and said, "There's a Star Trek convention in Japan right now. Why aren't you there?" And I said, "I didn't know." Well, I didn't know. God.
two things to tell you. Keep your eyes open for June. Strange New Worlds is coming out with their next season in June.
Oh, great. That'll be great.
And then the other thing is I watched that movie Conclave after Pope Francis
Oh yeah,
passed.
yeah.
It
Good
was a
movie.
pretty good movie. I enjoyed it.
It was a good movie, except I was not
The
satisfied
ending
with the
was
ending
kind
so
of
much.
stupid. Yeah. You said the same thing I said. The ending was kind of stupid, but oh well, it was still a good
But
movie.
it was still interesting to see all that the politics of it. John
Yeah,
Lithgow
the
played a
match.
great role, didn't he? I mean,
I thought so.
he
It's hard to
always.
take him seriously, though. I always think of him as a comedian.
Well, yeah, this very first movie was The World According to Garp, where he played
Yeah.
a gay tight end. I remember that way back. But anyway, yeah, Prime has a bunch of Star Trek stuff. They have like Shatner talking to Picard and Shatner talking to the Moy interviews, and then there's a show that I thought was really great called the Center Chair, which talks
Oh
about the
yeah.
history of Star Trek, which I thought was really, really very good. Gates McFadden, the lady that played the female doctor of Next Generation, hosted it. It's really a good show.
If you really want to dig deep with wastes of time, the fan fiction on YouTube, there are all kinds of series
really?
that people put together themselves, and some of them are all right.
Well, I haven't ever.
Judge,
Yes.
Judge, sorry, I hate to break up your thing, but
Oh man, we're talking Star Trek. Come on. All right, what's
Miss
going on?
Escalante, Miss Escalante's paperwork's ready for you.
Okay, so we can take Miss Escalante's plea. Let me look in my file. I got the paperwork on my screen. So let's try and take Miss Escalante's plea one more time. All right, I've got that there.
Yes.
All right, let's see. Miss Escalante, can you raise your right hand one more time? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Is your name Aurelia Escalante?
Yes.
Are you the same Aurelia Escalante with cause number 2024 CC 741369, who is
Yes.
charged, who currently is on deferred adjudication for the offense of hold on a minute. Offense of terroristic threats. Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. There's a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Video Conference that you signed. And basically, when you signed this, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes.
Bill, is that correct as well?
Yes, and that's one of the places I couldn't sign.
Yeah.
For whatever reason.
Okay. The reason there's also on my screen a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you signed this, and so is your lawyer. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty, you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The reason we are here today is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm going to ask the state to please read the alleged violation, and then I'll ask you to enter your plea. Can the state read the alleged violation?
Yes, Your Honor. The violation is the state alleges that the defendant violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Aurelia Maria Escalante, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
And to that allegation, how do you plead, ma'am? True or not true?
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Anybody promise you anything besides a plea bargain to get you to do this?
No.
doing this plea of your own free will? Are you doing this of your own free
Yes.
will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 44 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that to understand the plea bargain, Ms. Beal?
Yes, it is.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Escalante?
Yes.
And Ms. Escalante, the court having heard your plea true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. You are hereby adjudicated guilty of the underlying offense of terroristic threats. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 44 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run current. The judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Ms. Beal?
I believe it is, yes.
Is it? If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today. All right?
Yes.
Good luck to you. Tell the bailiffs we're finishing your case, and Phyllis, it was good to see you. You can be excused.
Good to see you, Judge.
Thank you.
Y'all take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alrighty. All right, Judge, you should have paperwork for Frank Sandoval, Judge, on Nicholas Alvarado, and I think we're going on 2 pleas, right, Frankie?
Yes, ma'am.
He's
Okay,
pleading on
got
both of the cases. So he has a criminal trespass and a failure to identify. Are they both class Bs, you know?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay. Then let me just pull up one of
I
these.
have them as both Bs, yes, Judge.
Okay. Hold up one of those pieces of paperwork. Mr. Alvarado, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. For the record, I'm going to have to ask you to please say yes when you say yeah or no. Okay, one or the other, but no yes. All right, please. Okay? So let's start over. Is your name Nicholas Alvarado?
Yes.
Are you the same Nicholas Alvarado who in this cause number 2025 CC 003024 who is charged in this case with the offense of failure to identify? Is that you?
Yes.
Are you also the same Nicholas Alvarado who in this other cause number 2025 CC 003023 who in that case is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes.
Both these cases are Class B misdemeanors, and it's possible in both of these cases that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with in both these cases and what the possible punishment could be in both of your cases?
Yes.
In both these cases, you filed documents entitled Defendants Consent to Plead by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed these documents, you told me that it was okay to do these cases by video. Is that correct?
Okay.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And scrolling down here, I see that you signed it and that your attorney signed it. You filed this document in both your cases. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes.
Your attorney explained these documents to you.
Yes.
Do you understand them?
Yeah.
That's a yes?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you have filed this document in both these cases. You have signed it in both these cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed these documents, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, in cause number 2025 CC 003-024, and that cause number where you're charged with failure to identify, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not
No.
guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And then in your other cause number where you're charged with the criminal trespass, in that case, in cause number 2025 CC 003-023, in that case, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty. No contest.
Okay. Hold on 1 minute. You understand now, pleas and no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
You enter in your pleas of your own free will. Are you doing this of your own free will?
Wrong fool, yes.
Okay. Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? It's the same. You can just do it once.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreements for a $0 fine, court costs, 11 Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
I thought
And
I
this-
heard 11 days. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. And it's the same in both cases.
Okay. Do you agree to this plea bargain in this case, Mr. Sandoval?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Alvarado?
Yes.
Mr. Alvarado. In cause 2025 CC 003-024, in that case, when you are charged with the failure to identify, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Now, hold on, I got to do this other paperwork or else you can get stuck in jail. So just give me a minute. Now I'm looking now again for Mr. Alvarado's paperwork. There we go, right there. So then, in cause number 2025 CC 003-023, in that cause number where you're charged with criminal trespass, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Sandoval?
Your Honor, good morning. That is my understanding, and I confirmed that with Mr. Alvarado this morning.
Okay, so if these are the only cases holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today, okay? Tell the deputies that we are finishing your case, and Mr. Sandoval, thank you. You can be excused. Appreciate it, Frank.
You're welcome, Your Honor. If I may be excused, happy weekend to everyone.
Happy weekend to you, too.
Right, Judge. Mr. Montgomery, you ready on Juan Jimenez? Montgomery, Pat Montgomery?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
think
Mr.
we're done.
Jimenez has got
one plea, two dismissals.
Pardon me?
One plea, two dismissals.
Which is the one he's pleading on, please?
I believe it ends in a 17. It's the terroristic threat case, Judge.
Okay, let me look on my paperwork to just see if I can find it. Okay, 17. Okay, I see it now. All right.
I believe it's 359 that he's playing.
Oh, it's it's the terroristic threat case, and I bet that the state has it correct and I don't.
Hold on 1 minute. Got the wrong paper now.
It's the bottom of the first page and the top of the second, Judge.
Yeah, I've got it on the bottom, but I'm looking out at this paperwork that does not look right. There's the paperwork I have on my screen. You're seeing my screen, right?
Right, it's a voucher, Judge. It's a plain voucher, yes.
That's a voucher. All right.
Yeah,
So-
that's a voucher which needs to be signed, but there's also, there should be.
Okay, this one
Go
right
down
here.
right there, Judge. There it is. 5950. Yeah, it is 59. We're going. Okay, perfect. And that is the right thing. The other two are TIC.
All right.
Okay,
See, they have the wrong paperwork.
got it.
Okay, Mr. Jimenez.
Yeah,
you ready
how you
to
doing?
write
Good morning.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Thank you. Put your hand down. All right. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen.
Okay. Is your name Juan Jimenez Jr.?
Yeah, it is.
Are you the same Juan Jimenez who in this cause number 2025 CC 005359 who's charged with the offense of terroristic threats against a public servant? Is
Yes.
that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Yeah, I understand.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And scrolling down here, I see that you signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yeah, that's correct.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yeah, he explained thoroughly.
And do you understand? Do you understand this document, sir? If you don't, I can't do the plea.
Yeah,
Do
no,
you
I understand. Yes, sir.
Are you, hold on 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yeah, I'm a citizen of the United States, born and raised, San Antonio, Texas.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yeah, I understand.
So then, to the offense of terroristic threats against a public servant, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest as it was on the paperwork.
Okay. Hold on 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that? I can still find you guilty on a plea of no contest. You understand?
All right.
Is that a yes?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No. No, I
Besides the plea bargain. Besides the plea bargain, that's your lawyer got for you. Besides that.
Yeah, besides that, no, nobody forced me.
Hold on, let me finish my sentence. Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing your plea of your own free will?
Yeah.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 24 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied. The
Is
state
that
will
your
also
understanding? I'm sorry, and other cases being TIC, is that right?
yes, Judge. Do you want me to recite that part or?
Yes,
No.
please.
Okay. The state will also be taking into consideration cause number 2025 CC 005-317 and cause number 2025 CC 005-355.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Montgomery?
It is, Judge.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Jimenez? Mr. Jimenez, do you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the court, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 24 days in the Bexar County Jail.
All right.
Give you credit for time served, time and money were current, judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 005-317, which is a, I believe, a resisted arrest case. Also, taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 005. Sure, I'll make that get the numbers. 5355. Now it needs those cases to be dismissed and returned for your plea in these cases. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Mr. Montgomery?
That's what he reports. There's nothing else.
Okay. If these are the only cases holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right. Good luck to you. And
Right. I have a question. I have a question before we end the court. So they have my my belongings. I was just got done washing clothes, so they have my Adidas bag full of my washed clothes and a backpack full of my like I'm homeless, so it has my washing my like my hygiene stuff in there, you know what I'm saying? And
they should
so,
give it back to you, but I really don't know.
No, but
I'm sorry, I just
yeah,
I can run to jail.
Yeah, my question is if I'm able to go. They told me I can when I get out, but I just want to verify that I'm able to go to the VIA station, like, you know what I'm saying, with like legally, and be able to get my stuff.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Sorry, I can't give you legal advice on that. All
Well,
right.
I mean,
You
like,
have a criminal trespass warning, so they can't allow you back to VIA, but anything that was taken from you when you were arrested will be returned to you when you're released, except for things held as evidence, so guns, drugs, but none of that happened, so
yeah,
we're not
everything
worried
was
about it.
everything was legal. They told me whenever got in the cop
Yeah.
car, they searched everything was legal, but they had told me that I got to pick it up at the VIA station that's right here on like downtown. So that's what I'm just verifying. If I
If
could
you
go
were
over there.
told to stay away from that place, you should probably stay away, sir.
No,
Have somebody else go pick it up.
You might
Yeah,
get
no.
arrested again if you go back.
No.
I don't know what to tell you. All
No,
right?
it's not. It's
Sorry.
not that. It's not that same location. It's a different location right here. The VIA's
Different
like the
location
actual
that
building.
you may be able to go back. But I can't really tell you. I don't know.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
All right.
Good luck.
I appreciate it. God bless.
Take care,
And
Mr. Menace.
Already.
sir,
God
so if
bless.
you can get
Likewise.
dismissal before the end of the Zoom meeting, please.
Yes, Judge, I already sent them over.
And on
Okay.
that 1-7 case, there's a standalone form that you opened at the beginning. If you'll take care of that, Your Honor.
And hopefully,
Yeah.
Ms. Urso, you just did them separately, not together in one string. I'm hoping.
Judge, I think with the new Adobe sign, I don't think I can do it separately anymore.
Oh, come on. Okay, now I got a motion to dismiss, but nothing came up on it.
Pat, I'll make sure he signs your voucher, Pat. Okay? I know you got to get
Thanks,
going,
Terry.
Pat.
You
I'll
keep
make
an eye
sure
on
he
that,
signs your
Judge.
voucher. Yeah. All right.
Thanks, Terry.
Okay, all right.
You keep
You're
that
welcome.
judge working.
Yeah, I
Okay,
will.
I'm signing the
Bye.
motion to dismiss on the resisting arrest
Pat.
case. So I'm signing the motion to dismiss on the resisting
done yet.
arrest case. Sure, so.
Well, I'm in court, man. Can I ask
I'm
privacy?
not sure if there's anything else. Oh, here we go. I hate this. Okay, so you can take off your headphones and tell the deputies to finish your case, okay?
All right.
And I have signed both those dismissal.
We're still doing my stuff.
Thank you, Judge. And Pat also had a voucher, but we'll sign that afterwards,
Voucher, let me
Judge.
see. Yeah, live it right here.
Get up.
Let me
We're
see.
still, come have a seat. I'm gonna get up, but we're still doing my stuff, so I have a right. I'm basically still in court. No, you're not. The judge said you were done. Come here. Still signing my stuff.
He just said to tell the
No, I'm done with them. It's okay.
Take my headset off.
and you're done. That means we're gonna put someone else there.
I signed everything that I need to sign in this case.
Well, I mean, I
Okay, very good. Mr. Reitmeyer, are you ready on Trejo, Nelson Trejo?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and we got the interpreter on that as well, Judge. Let me put the interpreter button on. Let me figure that out. Okay, let me see. Interpretation. Mr. Reitmeyer, your client does speak Spanish, right?
That's correct.
Okay, got it. And this is, let's see where the interpreter is here. English, okay, start, and then interpretation in English. Okay, you got to put it on interpretation.
Okay, so then I'm looking for Mr. Reitmeyer on my docket. Give me 1 minute. By the way, Terry, on Hamrick, did we send that back? No agreement?
Miss Vasquez, are you here, Miss Vasquez? Go ahead.
Hi, Terry. Yeah, can I speak with the state really quick? I spoke with Mr. Hamrick. I understand more in detail now about the probation that was offered.
Okay.
He was already on probation. So that's an
Oh.
MTR on that one. Are we doing that one too?
Oh.
No, but I don't have an MTR listed on my docket.
Yeah,
I'll
I don't
have-
know which one's an MTR.
That one is
I'll
the
have an unlawful
CC
restraint
6.
and a criminal trespass.
Yeah, he was also set for the MTR. If the state has any, unless they dropped it, that's the one that she might be talking about on probation because he was on probation for that one.
All right, I've got a bunch of people waiting. Can I?
Yeah, let's do this.
I'll just.
Yeah, let's just do this plea real quick, the Spanish plea, and we'll get this
Let
done.
me do
Okay,
this
got
plea
it.
and then I'll let you talk to the prosecutor, okay?
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Mr. Reitmeyer, who do you have?
Nelson Trejo, Judge.
And what page is that on my paper docket, Terry? Can you help
It's
me
on
out here?
page 3, Judge.
Page 3.
Yes, in the middle of the page, Nelson Trejo.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Get all the help I can get. All right. Okay, so then let me find him on my screen now. Nelson, right there. Okay, Mr. Trejo, can you raise your right hand? Is this the one that has a translator, Terry?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Translator, and the translator, is the translation button working okay?
Oh.
I just want to make sure before I get started in this thing. I thought you set it up, Terry, and I just want to make sure. Ms. Delgado, is the translation button working okay? I don't see that it is. Let me stop the share here. Hold on.
I have it.
Need to go to interpretation and put English only on my channel.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Ms. Delgado, can you hear me? Okay. Can we do this translation? Do you think it's going to work now? Okay.
No, no lo escucho bien.
Okay, let's get the bailiff to go help him set up the translation if we need to. Bailiff? Deputy? Deputy?
Go ahead, seat. Escuche.
No, en español no.
No, en español no.
No, sorry.
Okay.
Ahora, señor,
Yeah,
espérate.
I think that's right, the judge. Okay, it's right now. He's speaking. Okay. Is it?
Okay, are
Ms.
we
Up-
good? Can we
okay.
do?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr.
Sí, ya lo escucho. Sí, ya lo
Okay.
escuché. Gracias.
Mr. Trejo, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sí, señor.
Okay, let me put your hand down. Well, I'm going to share my screen with you. All right. Do you see the screen, sir?
Sí, señor.
Okay. Is this an MTR?
It is, Judge.
Okay. On the screen now, Mr. Trejo, is a document that's entitled Consent to Video, and you've signed it. And when you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this procedure by video. Is that correct?
Es correcto, señor.
Mr. Reitmeyer, is that correct? Yeah, Mr. Reitmeyer, is that correct that we do this by video?
I consent, Judge.
Yeah, okay. Now, I'm looking at a document and by the way, is he on regular probation or deferred adjudication in this case, Mr. Reitmeyer?
It's deferred, Your Honor.
It was deferred.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document on the screen entitled Trial Court Certification on Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, sir, as well as your lawyer. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty, that you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, señor.
The reason you are here is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation and deferred adjudication. More particularly, I will ask the district attorney to read the alleged violation. District Attorney, Ms. Urso?
Yes, Your Honor. Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes, ma'am, I can't hear you.
The state alleges that the defendant violated condition number 2 on or about the 1st through 30th day of June 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Nelson Arturo Trejo, did then and there consume alcoholic beverages, namely alcohol, in violation of condition number 2.
Is that allegation true or not true, sir?
Es verdad.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, señor.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, señor.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Sí, señor.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 81 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be set.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Reitmeyer?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Trejo?
Sí, señor.
Now, the court, sir, having heard your plea true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I follow the plea bargain, your probation is revoked, and I adjudicate you guilty of the underlying offense of driving while intoxicated. And I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 81 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Reitmeyer?
I don't think there's too many other cases, Judge, but there is an immigration hold.
There's an immigration hold. Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, sir, this case no longer holds you, but you are being held by an immigration hold. Okay? So good luck to you, sir.
Muchas gracias.
And Mr. Reitmeyer, thank you. You can be excused. Okay?
Thank you, Judge. It's good to see you.
Gracias.
See you.
All right, Miss Blake, are you ready on Rivas? Bobby Rivas?
Yes, ready.
Oh, Judge.
Yes, you can be excused. Thank you for helping us out. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, I'm looking now from Rivas on my paper docket.
Going on 2 cases.
On page 3, is that right?
Yeah, page 2
Actually,
and 3,
page
Judge.
2 and 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Page 2 and 3. Okay. Now let me find him on my screen. He's only pleading on one and the rest will be in TIC. Is that right? Am I doing it? No.
2
and 2.
2 will be TIC and he's pleading on 1. Is that right?
2. He's pleading on 2.
Pleading on
2.
Hold on
2
one
and
minute.
2. They're just not right after each other. There's one in between.
Okay, I see it now. I see it now. Okay. And are they both the same? Let's see.
Yes.
Theft of property, which is a B, and then
No, they're both A's, Judge. 750
they're
to
both,
2500.
they're both A's?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for the help. Let me put up Mr. Rivas as one of his cases. Okay. So I have Mr. Rivas on the camera.
Yes, sir.
I'm not seeing him. Hold on. Oh, there you are. Mr. Rivas, can you hold up, raise your right hand? You swear the testimony about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Do you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Bobby Rivas?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Bobby Rivas who in this cause number CC 733205, who's charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you in this case, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Bobby Rivas who in cause number CC 712004, who in that case is also charged with the same offense of theft of property having value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
You got 2 thefts that are Class A misdemeanors. And in each case, it's possible that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine in each case anywhere from a minimum of $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in each one of these 2 cases?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have filed in both of these cases. And you've signed in both these cases, so is your attorney. When you filed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And scrolling down here, you have signed this document, so is your attorney. You filed this document in both cases, and you signed it in both cases. Did you go over these documents with your attorney in these cases?
Yes, sir.
Your attorney explained these documents to you.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have filed this in both cases. You've signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. So then, in cause number 733205, to the offense of theft as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And then in cause number CC 712004, we also charge with theft as a class A misdemeanor. In that case, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. And do you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're entering these pleas of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Are there plea bargains in these cases? And if it's the same, we can just recite it once.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreements for is $400 fine, court costs, 14 months of deferred adjudication, an ATSE course, 60 hours of community service, and no contact order with Magdalena Villarreal. Do you need me to spell that?
What? No, no contact. I'm just going to put M. What's the last name?
Villarreal.
Okay. Spell it because the pronunciation, I'm not quite getting it.
VILL.
I'm sorry. VI.
Am I
I didn't get it. VI is all I got. VI what?
LLARREAL.
Okay.
Villarreal.
Virial. Okay. All right. And what else?
And the other CW is a restaurant located at 1920. I'm gonna spell this one NOGALITOS.
Nogalitos?
Yes.
Okay.
San Antonio, Texas 78225.
Okay. Now he's pleading on both these cases to the same plea bargain. So then I'm not going to give him 60 hours on both cases if the intent is to just do 60 hours. Can I do 30 and 30? Mr. So?
Judge, the agreement's for 60. But
is that 60 in each case?
It's to run concurrent.
Okay.
And then we also have a restitution to Magdalena Villarreal. And that amount is $1,984.24.
No, I'm not doing the 24 cents. I'm just joking. It's okay. Relax. All right. Is that all of the plea bargain?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you agree to this, Mr. Rivas?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, so Mr. Rivas, and cause number 733-205. The court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $400.
Your Honor, if I could,
yes.
If I could just ask the fine be waived. He is indigent.
This is the plea bargain that you made, Angela.
Sure.
I'm gonna follow it.
Okay.
$400 fine. Now it's not too late if you want to back out of this thing. I'm okay with that. You still want to go forward with this, Mr. Rivas?
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Okay, I'm going to sentence you to, on this case, a $400 fine. There's court costs. Oh, it's a deferred. Hold on a minute. That's the wrong thing. You understand that on deferred, if you get deferred, it can be a great deal. It can be a bad deal.
Mm-hmm.
Get deferred and successfully completed, it's a great deal because you can say truthfully that you were never convicted of the crime. But if you screw up and you get violated, they file a violation against you and you are violated, you can be looking at the maximums in each case of 1 year in jail and a $4,000 fine in each case. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And you still want to do this, right?
Yes, sir. I'm going to get it done.
Okay. Then in this case, the court having heard your plea of to the motion, wait back. The plea of no contest. On that plea of no contest, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication of this matter for 14 months. Place you on probation for 14 months. assess a $400 fine plus court costs. And make it a condition of your deferred that you do an ATSC course, that you do 60 hours of community service. That you have no contact. Well, the no contact part. No contact with M. That stands for Magdalena. M. Virial. And that you make restitution in the amount of $1,984.24. Did I cover everything I needed to cover in this case, Mr. Urso?
Judge, the only thing I forgot to mention the TICs. I did send those dismissals over though.
Okay, well, let's do the TICs on the record, please. What cases would be in TIC?
Yes, Judge. The state will be taking into consideration cause number CC 714-387 and CC.
Hold on, let me catch up here. And CC 714-387, and the other one will be
CC 720-552.
okay. Now, do I have everything that
No, you don't, Your Honor. There's also a no contact with restaurant.
Oh,
Go back
that's
to
right.
where you put Envidia restaurant.
Let me just put the address. The address is going to be 1920
1920. Yes, sir.
Nogalitos, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I
And
got
one more
everything.
thing. Wait. One more thing.
Okay.
Supervisory fees to be assessed just on this case and zero on the other.
I'm gonna just type that in here. Is that right?
Where do we put them?
Yes, that's okay.
Okay, there you go.
How much was it gonna be for this case? 35 for
35.
this case.
And the other case will be zero.
Okay.
Okay. And then the fines and community service to run concurrent. Can I put that in there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you won't have to do that twice. All right, have I got everything on here that I need to get in? Alex? Are we
Yes,
good?
sir.
And Ms. Urso, we good?
Yes, Judge.
And let's see. Ms. Blake, are we good on this then?
Yes, Judge. Looks good to me.
All right, so then the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication of this matter for 14 months, place you on probation for 14 months, assess a $400 fine plus court costs, make it a condition on you deferred that you do 60 hours of community service, that you take an ATSC course, that you make restitution to Magdalena Virial in the amount of $1,984.24, and you have no contact with Magdalena Virial, and also the address of 1920 Nogalitos. I just want to decide also that taking into consideration with cause number CC 714-387, cause number CC 720-552, that means those cases will be dismissed. And I'll ask the district attorney to please send me those cases before the end of this session. I've signed this one case. Now I got to go back and do the other case. So hold on, Mr. Vilas.
Yes, sir.
The other case is this one. No, well, then, since I did all this on the other case, do I have to type everything in this case as well? Alex?
Your Honor, that's a Jordan question.
Jordan, since I typed all this
Yes,
other
sir.
stuff on the other case, do I have to type it all again in this case?
I can do it, sir. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Both
Otherwise, that'll
paperwork.
hold up everything forever because I'm slow
Mm,
type.
Yeah.
All right. Then, Mr. Rivas, in this cause number 712004, the court having heard your plea of no contest, the court on that plea finds that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication of this matter for 14 months, place you on probation for 14 months, says a $400 fine plus court costs, but that will run concurrent with the other case. 60 hours community service. Again, that should run concurrent with the other case. I've typed that in the other case.
Okay.
ATSC course, which I already typed in the other case, but I'll do again. Again, I'm going to write the no contact with Imperial.
It's there, Judge. You can just, I think it's popping up for you.
Okay, and can we write the restitution too in there for her?
Yes, I can fill out the rest, sir. I just need to
Okay.
make sure that
And the cases that were taken into consideration, I wrote in the other case, so I don't think I need to write on this case. And I'm going to be signing the dismissals shortly. Let me see, Miss Blake, are these the only cases holding your client?
No, Your Honor.
What does he have?
You got a parole hold.
Okay. Now you
Sir,
understand that
before-
parole hold, these pleas could be used to revoke your parole in the other case. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you still want to do these pleas?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one
See you
moment.
then. Oh, I just clicked.
Never
I'm
mind.
sorry,
It's okay.
Jordan. What was
It's
it?
okay. I'll fix it. There's you put 400 for Miss Blake's voucher and it was 550, but I'll fix it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Jordan.
Please fix
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
No, she deserves 1,000 for doing this one. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
No objection. I'm just kidding. Thank
Okay,
you.
so I still have to do the other case on Mr. Rivas, and let me do that before I finish. Because he had two pleas, right?
Those
Yes.
two were done, sir. So
I
that
did
was
the
the
two?
second
Okay.
one. Yeah.
Okay, so now I just need to do the motions to dismiss.
Yes, sir.
The one, CC 14387. Where the heck is the other one? I hate this. There we go. I hate this, Mr. So. You ought to be able to do these separately. Talk to someone in IT, please. Okay? Because I'm definitely.
I promise, Judge, it wasn't like this until the new Adobe sign popped up.
All right, so I've signed both as dismissal, so you can tell the deputies we're finishing your case, sir.
Okay.
Good
Thank
luck.
you so much.
All right, Judge. Mr. Vale, what's going on with Amber Rose?
We have plea paperwork and we're ready to go
Is it on both cases, Mr. Vale?
on both cases.
Okay, two cases on Amber Rose, Judge. Yeah, I see them there. Okay.
Look, Amber Rose. Okay, that's on page 3, two cases, right? Is she pleading on both those cases?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and let me see. They're both well, actually the trespass is a B and the criminal mischief is an A. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay, so let me get this on the 33 case. All right. Okay, can we get Miss Amber Rose Trevino in front of the screen, please?
Judge, I'm sorry, we're working on that for some of my. Gonna stay open.
Okay. Okay. Are you Amber Rose Trevino?
Yes, sir.
You raise your right hand for me. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Do you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Your name, Amber Rose Trevino.
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Amber Rose Trevino who, in this cause number 2025 CC 005333, who is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Amber Trevino Rose who in cause number 2025 CC 005333, who in that cause number, oh, I have the wrong copy. Let me do this again. Are you the same Amber Rose Trevino who in cause number 2025 CC 0023335, when that cause number is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
That case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in that case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm looking at a document entitled Defendants Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When your attorney and you signed these documents, you in effect told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Looking now, and that's a document you filed in both cases, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And again, you have filed this in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney in these cases?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain these documents to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand them?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen? Hold on, let me sign this. Hold on. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. You filed this document in both cases. And when you have signed these documents, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, in cause number 2025 CC 005333 to the offense of criminal mischief, how do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
In cause number 2025 CC 002335 to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead in that case, ma'am?
No contest.
And you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides those, anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering these pleas of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there plea bargains? Can I ask the state the pleas are cited? If it's the same, just once and not separately.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that the understanding of the plea bargain? And that's for both cases, right, Mr. Urso?
Yes, Judge.
And is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Mr. Bale?
It is.
And do you agree to this, Ms. Trevino?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Trevino, the court having heard your plea in cause number 2025 CC 005333, where you are charged with the offense of criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money market current. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, I still have to do the other case, so hold on a minute. Okay. Okay, the other case, which is the criminal trespass, I'm on that right now. Just give me a minute. Okay, and the other case, the criminal trespass case, cause number 2025 CC 002335. I think I accepted your plea in that case, but I just want to make sure. In that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Anybody force you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Anybody promise you anything to make you do this?
No, sir.
Doing it of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there, and the plea bargain in this case is a $0 fine plus court costs, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give your credit for time served, time and money current. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client?
They are, Judge. She doesn't have anything else.
These are the only cases holding you, ma'am. Then you should be released sometime today. All right.
Okay.
Good luck to you. You can tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Bell, you can be excused. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good morning.
Have a good morning too. Thank you. Okay, so does that take care of the pleas? Or do we?
No, Judge, it does not.
Okay, bye.
We're still waiting.
Ms. Max Vasquez, Judge on Hemrick.
What's going on?
Okay, so I think I figured it out, Judge. Here's the deal. What's wrong with me? The motion to revoke has been completed thanks to CLO Valverde. She gave me some insight. We got that removed on the original hearing, which was a couple days ago. And then they moved it over to here so we could adjudicate the two pending unlawful restraint and trespass. So my question is, state if you would consider, after conferring with my client, possibly, okay, so let me start by saying this, Judge and state. He has been there for 55 plus days. He is a trustee, so he should be having like extra amounts of credit. He did get the motion to revoke case completed. It's a case closed. So we're not even dealing with that anymore. We're dealing with the misdemeanor A and a B. Would you consider TICing the unlawful restraint and credit for time served on the criminal trespass?
No, we will not be doing that.
You, Ms. Urso. All right. I really don't want to be a part of that plea bargaining agreement.
Okay, can we
Let's put you in breakout room 6, but let's
can we do that really quick?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Chair.
Ms. Vasquez, you can move yourself.
If we can do that, we can finish today.
Okay.
And I don't want him to stay there longer because otherwise we can't get him in till maybe next week.
Okay.
Do you know?
Okay,
Oh, by the way, can we get a room?
Yeah,
Terry,
can you
please.
move yourself to room 6, Ms. Vasquez? Use your name. You got
Do
3
I just
dots.
go back there?
Go back to 6 because that's where the breakout.
The
Yeah,
little
that's
dots. I think is it the dots on the bottom of your screen that you can move back?
Just it says it says leave meeting.
Oh, okay. Then let me move you to room 5 and then move you to room 6. Go ahead and move to room 5.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, in the meantime, is Maria Gonzalez here?
Yes, Judge.
I'd like to go over the docket with Maria Gonzalez if I can.
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning to you. I'm looking at my docket right now. Number one being Arias. Is he here? What's going on with Arias? Maria?
No. Oh, can you hear me, Judge?
Yes, I can now.
Okay, is that better? Not handled.
Not handled. Okay.
Correct.
All right. Number two, Arnold.
Number two, is, not handled.
Not handled. Not handled. Number three, Barnum.
Should be there.
Number four, Chilla.
Number four, refused.
Refused. Number five, Cornejo.
Not handled.
Not handled. Not handled. My fault. Number six, Delgado.
A bond increase.
No, not handled.
Correct.
Number seven, Escobar.
Not handled.
Number eight, Gonzalez.
Number 8 and number 9 should be there.
Number 10, Morales de la Paz.
Not handled.
Number 11, Pecolos.
Not handled.
Number 12, Ramos.
Should be there.
Number 13, Sanchez.
Not handled.
And number 14, Williams.
Should be there.
Okay. So now we are waiting for the prosecutor to finish conferring with a lady on the thing. Let's give him a couple more minutes and then tell him what we need to get it.
Hey, Judge?
Yeah.
So we're going to start with 3,
Okay.
9, and 14.
Okay, just tell me as we go along, Alex, because right now my brain is fried. Okay. It's not only fried, it's scrambled.
Yes,
Now
sir.
fried and scrambled. I think it's about ready to become a poached egg as well. And what's my name again? Okay, never mind.
I don't know.
Just hold on. Let's wait till we get this one done. Okay. But we're starting with 3, right? That's good. Then afterwards, just say we're going out of order in the next one, Judge, and that'll keep me.
Gotcha, Judge. Gotcha. Yes, sir. Maria?
Yes, Alex.
So 3, 9, and 14 are the first ones.
3, 9, and 14. Okay, thank you.
Share thing for right now. Okay, Terry, can you stick your head in there and tell them that we need to do these bond dockets? So
I'm still waiting for the bond attorney of the day too, Judge. I'm waiting for a bond attorney.
wait, no, bond. Oh, okay, then hold on.
Yeah.
We'll
Okay.
wait for the bond attorney.
I already told them to log in. It should be Zachary Munoz. Adam Paltz is supposed to be here today, but he got caught up in something, Judge, and somewhere else. I don't know what happened, but Zachary should be logging in.
Okay, Zachary Munoz is coming in. Can you stick your head in there and tell the prosecutor that we need her to do the,
All right.
Morning,
Judge.
Good morning, sir. We got the prosecutor in the breakout room. I'm going to try to see if I can get the coordinator to get her out. Okay. Sorry to keep you waiting, Mr. Munoz.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know I was muted. That's a fine, Your Honor. I understand.
Okay, I'm going to go in and see if I can get them out of there. It's taking too long.
Okay, real quick, Ms. Vasquez, we're setting these cases back, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Judge, so can I just get this on the record, really quick?
No, ma'am, you can't get it on the record. We have no agreement. You're going back to the original court. Let me take care of the docket, please. All right. Mr. Munoz.
Judge, can I just make sure one thing? I just want to make sure that the state extended a probation that they're retracting now. Is that correct?
Okay, I'm not going to go over and over this again. You guys have been doing this already. Let's go on to my docket, please. I'm going to share my screen, Mr. Munoz. The first case is going to be number 3, Barnum.
If we could get off of YouTube
Yes,
as
please. Can we
well.
get off YouTube, please?